In today's video, I will walk you through how to draw trend lines on dYdX charts. To begin, navigate to the dYdX trading interface and open the market you want to analyze. Once the TradingView chart is displayed, look for the Drawing Tools toolbar, which is typically located along the left side of the chart. Select the Trend Line tool from the Drawing menu. If you don't see it immediately, click the Drawing Tools icon to expand the available options, then choose the standard Trend Line tool. Next, move your cursor onto the chart and click where you want the trend line to begin. Then drag your cursor to the second point and click again to complete the line. The trend line will immediately appear on the chart, connecting the 2 points you've selected. If the line isn't positioned exactly where you want it, simply click on it to select it. You can then drag either endpoint to adjust its position, or move the entire line to better match the price action you're analyzing. You can draw multiple trend lines on the same chart to highlight different market patterns. For example, you might draw one line beneath rising prices to identify an upward trend, and another above the price to mark a resistance level. Adding several trend lines can help organize your market analysis without changing the underlying chart data. And that's how to draw trend lines on dYdX charts.